Some of the most powerful companies in the stock market are not the ones you hear about every day. In fact, one small Indian company quietly built a business that delivers almost 50% return on equity and has virtually no debt at all. And it is riding the global renewable energy boom, but hardly anyone is talking about it. The hidden industry. Think about this. Every time electricity travels from a power plant to a factory or to your home, it passes through a device called a transformer. Transformers control voltage and make electricity usable. Without transformers, the entire power system simply wouldn't work at all. Now, one company that specializes in building these critical machines is Silchar Technologies. Founded in 1986 in Gujarat, Silchar Technologies focus on manufacturing specialized transformers which are used in solar power plants, wind energy projects, industrial power systems, power utilities. In simple terms, they build the machines that help electricity move safely across the grid. Why is this industry growing? Now, here's where things get interesting. The world is going through a massive energy transition. Countries everywhere are building solar farms, wind power plants, electric infrastructure. And every one of these projects needs transformers. In fact, globally, there is already a shortage of transformers, which means companies capable of manufacturing them are suddenly in high demand. Coming to the financial strength, when investors started looking at these numbers, they noticed something unusual. Over the last few years, the company has delivered return on equity close to 40 to 50% and almost no debt at all. And it has a strong profit growth. For an engineering company, those numbers are considered very impressive. Coming to the promoters, the company is led by Shah family. Together, the promoters hold a majority stake in the company, which shows a skin in the game, which often signals long-term commitment to the business. But every story has a risk. Of course, no business is perfect. Demand for transformers can depend on large infrastructure projects. Raw material costs like copper can impact margins. And since it's a smaller company, the stock prices can be more volatile. But history shows something. Sometimes the most powerful companies are not the ones making headlines. They are the ones quietly building the infrastructure of the future. And in a world moving towards renewable energy, companies powering the grid might become more important than ever. By the end of this decade, electricity demand could explode. The question is which company will power that growth? But the real story is this company isn't just the numbers. It's the industry shift happening behind it. Disclaimer is this video is only for educational purposes only and should not be considered as an investment advice. Please do your own research or consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks.